It's a real pleasure to be here at today's summit. I want to begin by reflecting on the incredible work of the Zemo partnership over the last 2 decades. Your broad coalition of members, combined with your depth of knowledge and expertise, has positioned you as a key partner in the fight to reduce emissions from road transport. And I must say, you've not just played your role, you've excelled in it. Whether it's been championing the shift to electric cars, vans, buses, and now trucks, from your tireless advocacy of the L category sector, to your unwavering support in developing and understanding a narrative of low-carbon fuels. Zemo has not only helped to cut emissions, but also supported businesses in the process. I see that your broad coalition is evolving, with Lord Debon now chairing your new Council for Net Zero Transport, with a team filled with representatives from across the sector. I have no doubt that the strategic direction you will provide will be crucial as we accelerate our transition to a cleaner, greener transport system across the UK. Because I've seen your work. I've read your briefing, which you provided ministers in the Department of Transport. And I'm pleased to say that we share your views, that decarbonising transport is both an opportunity for growth and a necessity that we must deliver. Decarbonised transport means cleaner air, more reliable services, and easier movement for everyone. When the new Secretary of State took office, she introduced a new motto: move fast and fix things. And there's no more accurate example with which to test that ambition than the climate crisis. We must act quickly. We must act decisively. And we must act together. For years, transport has been the largest emitter of carbon across our economy. But change is on the horizon. In its latest report, the Climate Change Committee highlighted that for the first time, electric vehicles are making a measurable dent in annual carbon emissions. Although the total number of electric cars on our roads is growing, the market share remains steady at around 16%. Clearly, there's still much work to be done. That's why this government is committed to accelerating the rollout of charge points across the country. We will collaborate with industry, local authorities, and all stakeholders to meet that challenge head on. The Minister for the Future of Roads will soon provide more details on how we will fulfil our manifesto commitment to phase out new internal combustion engines by 2030. That commitment is important because we want to give both industry and consumers certainty, bringing confidence to a growing market for cleaner, more efficient vehicles. And as those shoots start to grow, we'll begin to see how stretching net zero targets are more than just a zero-sum game, because investment by government and industry will drive economic growth, positioning Britain as a clean energy superpower. That's not just a plan, it's the mission. And this mission-led government means acknowledging that our actions also have consequences. Constructive actions mean for positive consequences. The rewards are there to be grasped. Innovation, the rollout of clean technology and supporting infrastructure are real opportunities to attract investment, create highly skilled jobs, and power our economy forward. Electrifying transport is not just about achieving net zero, it's about building a resilient, future-proof network, cleaner air, healthier communities, and reduced congestion. Take buses, for example. They are the lifeblood of our communities, connecting people with essential services and preventing social isolation. But we know that local bus services in many parts of England aren't delivering for people that depend upon them. That's why the government is focused on growing bus usage by improving services. This means faster, more reliable and more affordable journeys with accurate information for passengers whenever they need it. It means more accessible buses, bus stops and stations. And it means ensuring everyone, especially women and girls, feel safe to travel. The knock-on effects don't stop there. Better buses build better lives and livelihoods. They offer more footfall to businesses, more ways to take a cleaner route to work. Put simply, more opportunity for more people. Ultimately, we want to put buses at the heart of our integrated public transport system that works for everyone. As part of this effort, the government will soon publish an English devolution white paper announcing reforms that will empower local leaders to take a leadership role in transport decarbonisation. Through stronger devolution, we'll work in partnership with our mayors, strategic authorities and subnational transport bodies to deliver our shared goals. Together, we will decarbonise transport, reduce environmental harm and build a resilient network that is ready for a changing climate. We are committed to working with the entire sector to turn this vision into reality. And it's great to work in partnership with Zemo, through your Council of Net Zero Transport, through your strong partnerships and with your dedication from members. Together, we will meet the challenges of net zero and deliver a brighter, cleaner future for transport. Thank you.